Hey guys, before this video begins, you know exactly what I'm about to say. We are having another major giveaway on the 26th of December. Only difference is this time two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each. Yes, you heard that right. Two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each on the 26th of December on Christmas Day. So if you're interested, you know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you comment something, hit that like and that subscribe button. Something worthwhile, something meaningful, something that can capture somebody's eye, and you might be the lucky person walking away over 2,000 rand in their bank account on Christmas Day. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 400 rand quick and easy in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to go on Pico Workers on Google, and you should get to this page as it says small results, big results. So there are different categories that you can do. You can do the business owners or the freelancers, and you know over here we do not do anything like that. We are mainly aiming for the freelancer, work your way to the top. So there are different ways you can make money. You can take surveys, you can write an honest review, you can test an app, or you can write an article. So it's pretty much the same as Fiverr and Upwork. It works the same way. As it says, Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. So the philosophy and the psychology of it is the exact same thing. You do a job, you get paid, but they say here we accept payments in cryptocurrency and pay out in crypto. So this is how the small gigs work. You select a job that you like. After that, you complete these tasks, explore required tasks, and then send required proofs. So you can press on the start now, but first I want to give you through a thorough detail on the freelancer and business differences. As it says here, what's inside: deliver work and get paid. This is how small gigs are definitely great work. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. There are jobs like take a survey, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. Get credited immediately after the task is reviewed, and don't wait a month or more for a payout. So after that, you can create an account. You know exactly how it works. By creating an account, you add your PayPal, you add your email, you add your correct details. So after that, guys, I need you to go to the business owner side so you can actually understand the differences and how it actually does. So let's go to the business owner side. It says here, ask people to help you. This is where small gigs come in handy. We accept jobs that help business owners promote their businesses, website, app, and social media, or help them do something they cannot do by themselves, where they need more people and their knowledge to achieve goals. So guys, all you need to do, guys, and if you feel as though I did not explain properly, you can click on the learn more, but just go on the start now and create an account. I do not need to go through that process with you because it is exactly the same as Upwork and Fiverr and most of these other freelance websites. So just make sure you follow my instructions and you should be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. The giveaway will happen on Christmas. It is a brand new giveaway. We are very excited, and again, congratulations to the winners who won the last giveaway. And if you work hard, maybe you might be the next one to win 2,000 rand on Christmas Day. A lot of people want to buy things for their parents. A lot of things definitely need to be bought and can definitely be used with that 2,000. So do not give up, have hope. You know what to do. Comment and you will be okay. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.